I may have found the perfect power duo.
Stick around and we'll get right to it.
Hey, welcome back guys, Jason KM4ACK. Now, before you start typing down in the comments, okay, nothing's perfect and I'll admit that right up front, but this setup is pretty slick. Now, the first half of this duo is the Anker 737, but we're not going to spend a lot of time talking about this. I've done an entire video just on this battery alone. Let's just say that if it's USB-C powered, this thing is capable of running it, including my Starlink Mini. And when you add a USB-C trigger cable, well, it's powerful enough to even run some QRP radios like my FX4CR. But here's what I want to show you guys. Well, let me tell you about this first. This is an old 20-watt solar panel that I showed you guys sometime last year, and I really like this panel. It was inexpensive, and it's been really good. However, they discontinued this. I can't find that thing anywhere on Amazon. Enter, though, the 30-watt version of the exact same panel. This thing is a trifold design, so we got 3 panels there. We do have 30 watts. Now, again, just like its smaller sibling, it's got USB-A and USB-C, as well as a DC barrel port. On the max output is 30 watts. On the USB-A output, you can get 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, or 12 volts at 1.5 amps. USB-C, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps. And that DC output gives you 15 volts at 2 amps. So this has become a really solid piece of my kit. When you pair this 30-watt panel with this Anker 3.7, you can keep things going for quite some time, depending on how much you're drawing out of the battery, obviously. But if I need to charge an HT, this thing is perfect, and then the panel will keep this thing almost topped up while it's charging most of those HTs. It folds down small enough that it will literally fit just behind a laptop in my backpack. So you can see that that thing is super, super thin, and I'm going to guess that it's about 12 inches by roughly 6 or 7 inches. I'll get you some exact dimensions and put it here on the screen along with the weight of this panel. But I just want to get you a quick video out there today to say if you're looking for an inexpensive piece of kit that you'll really get a lot of use out of, take a look at this panel. As of the time of filming, it's about 36 bucks, but with Prime Week, it may be a little bit cheaper. I'll leave a link to everything down in the description below. If you found today's information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up before you head off. We will see you guys on the next one. Until then, 7-3.